So what we're doing here in Malindi, Kilifi County, this can be replicated into other counties. It's already happening. We'll talk about that when we look at our partners here today. But this is the model that can work for all of Kenya. We're focusing on Coast Province, but the rest of Kenya is still waiting. So that's the plastic waste value chain. It creates income streams, it creates livelihoods, and it also, importantly for our waste collectors, it gives them a status. No longer should we look at our waste pickers, collectors as people who are just picking waste here and there. No longer should we look at it as a dirty job, as an unclean job. Our waste providers, all of these people here today who are collecting plastic, they are providing an environmental service to us all. That is a valuable service.
This collaboration shows the goodwill of the department towards embracing a multi-sectoral approach to this very important issue. Your choice of Kilifi and specifically Malindi, very strategic because this facility will play a crucial role in the recycling process by maximizing community recycling efforts, even in areas that see low participation in recycling programs. In the same breath, I would like to encourage other stakeholders to take a keen interest in sustainable interventions and solutions to managing waste. Plastic waste has been and is still a major challenge and concern in Kilifi. There is no doubt it has impacted negatively on marine life, especially marine mammals. Watamu Ward is a breeding ground for the endangered turtles and is greatly affected by this plastic waste. The big question is, one would ask is, how important is this facility? Ladies and gentlemen, this facility will maximize the quantity of recyclable processed while producing material that will generate revenue for us. By doing this, we will conserve our natural resources and reduce the destruction of our natural environment by plastic waste. Furthermore, we can secure the future of our children by keeping toxic contamination out of our soil and water. By opening this facility today, the dreams of over 1,000 young people and women in Kilifi are set to come true because of the many job opportunities that are and will be created, such as beach cleaners, waste collectors and recyclers.
We ensure that the plastic solid waste is totally eliminated from our transfer station and the dumping site, and that one is possible.
Tuikeria horo hanini mwiroreri wa Muthingi TV ndo ikorwo gikora ihunia mundu iragicokeria